baked bean and rice. That we have worked with tonight. Really to go good, you know. That was nice. Straight baked bean, Matthew.
Sounds like a nice and simple one.
With something else, you know.
What else do you think?
When you come up to the sheet, you will see what else I go come up after the rice and so forth. In the dinner time, and big slip. After. Oh, it's all way. Alright. The rice make it eat nice. One blood clot fire me I give to you, know. They look good?
Yeah. It's nice and shining.
Everything just got cooked with it. It's nice. Chicken stuff. And I put salt in the rice, Matthew. Rasta not deal with that. Rasta cooking food when you can't eat in food. Really high rate. Still good to rock and roll, you know?
Yeah. Why is salt so bad for you?
Yeah, man, everybody give you salt, not give arthritis pain. You know, that's why they tell them, say they don't eat the salt. Eat salt just won't done, you know. Salt not good. I really polite up still, you know, but when I go street and I want to cook, you know, I eat it still, but me know that's not my type, not my style.
Cruising.
Cruising down, you know. And they look at this, me mash up a baked bean and with a lick there. Cook it up now. Man. Get them munch, get them heat, take a later. Cook, I don't mind cooking situation. I get boiled that time. It's it nice with this bush.
What kind of bush is it?
Soup bush.
It's actually called soup bush?
Yeah.
Oh.
Otherwise that pepper elder.
Is it like a spicier one?
Yes.
Oh, nice. That's a cool name, pepper elder. I like that.
Yeah.
Spice bush is pretty boss.
You're gonna taste the rice, you'll taste it nice.
Little pre-dinner spliff.
Then I got dangerous. No, me up in them. Done.
That's like Jamaican fast food.
Yeah. What happened to Ratty? Go on there, you want to ride lift up on. No, go out there, you get beat up.
Now we're cooking.
Now I want some water.
So baked beans, what? You get a little bit of water.
Yeah, me put it in there with that reason. You just suck in and suck up and good oil and good something to eat, you know?
Yeah, bit of oil, bit of the chicken flavor.
Anything when I see it, you know?
What are you looking for?
Anything when I not like we see in there.
Like some ants got their way in?
Yeah, I can't tell you, know. But me not take black something in there right now. Come beside me.
It's leftover saltfish in the pan. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty clean.
Well, when anything go down, I used to be building a come back in down, we heard, you know? Do fuckery. I don't want that.